Hi, in this video I will talk about how to manage your team, how to add agents and assign groups. You can add agents to your team with just a few clicks. Go to the Agents section and hit the Invite Agents button. Here you can add an email or multiple emails and choose roles for the agents. There are two roles you can choose from. A regular agent role, for teammates focused on handling chats who don't need to or shouldn't have access to all the features in LiveChat. There is also the admin role, which has a full access to all features. We recommend setting it only for specific members of the team, as they will be able to change all settings on your LiveChat license. Here, you can also assign agents to a particular group, which brings us to the group feature. Groups can be used to divide incoming chats based on the subject of the conversation. So for example, you can create a separate group for your sales team and for your support team. You can also use groups to implement LiveChat on multiple websites. If your agents need to handle chats coming from more than one site, you can create a group for each website and handle all the incoming chat using just one license. When editing agents' profile, you can change their name and the job title. This information is visible to your customers in the chat widget. You can also upload a profile picture. We have a stock photo gallery, but we recommend using your own photo. Here you can assign agents to groups and set the chat limit. The default setting is 6. We recommend 3 chats at the same time for beginners. You can also set working hours, so decide when the agent should be accepting chats during the day. So if I set my working hours from 8 AM to 4 PM and log into my LiveChat application at 7 AM, it won't assign any chats to me. At 8 AM, the app will automatically switch my status to accept chat. Then, at 4 PM, the application will automatically switch my status back to not accepting chats. To see how your agents are performing, we created some reports that will help you with team management. In this video, I will talk about 2 reports, but I will cover more in the next one. The first report I want to tell you about is Agent Activity, which displays the changes in the agent's status during the day. Gray means the agent was not logged into the LiveChat application, green means the agent was accepting chats, and red means that they weren't accepting chats. Status can be changed to not accepting chats either automatically when the agent's working hours are over, or manually by clicking on the profile picture in the bottom left corner and choosing Don't Accept Chats. Once done, a red bar shows up here. With the Don't Accept Chat status, agents don't receive any new chats. Ongoing chats remain active, so they can be finished before an agent goes, for example, for a lunch break. When the agent is back to work, they can switch back to accept chats. So here you can see when exactly during the day your agents change their status. It's also possible to check this report for previous days. And the second report that I wanted to show you is Staffing Prediction. It shows data for the next 7 days based on the last 4 weeks of your LiveChat usage. You will see this data after 4 weeks of using LiveChat, and it will help you to predict the number of agents that you will need to provide effective support via LiveChat. As you can see, in my case, I only need 1 agent because I am using a test group. But your report will provide real data that can help you with shift scheduling. For example, decide how many agents should work during a shift, so all chats are handled quickly. And that's it for now. In the next video I will tell you more about the report, so stay tuned.